Hi, my name's Yvonne, and I will be explaining the functionality of the QRS Simple app. The objective of the app is to decompose or perform a wavelet transform on a raw electrocardiogram signal, and we then detect the QRS complex post signal processing and plot the signals for visualization and analysis. So we can load the data from the Physio Bank, which is a online resource of electrocardiogram signals. So there's a few different signals available, and we can see here the white raw signal overlay with the purple post-filtered signal, and the red marks are the peaks, the QRS peaks. So we can zoom in. Zooming in, we can see the QRS complex and the R peak detected. So how we came about, or how we arrived at this processed wave is by applying a maximal overlap discrete wavelet transform using the SIM4 wavelet. So we can see here the SIM4 wavelet closely resembles the QRS complex, and that would be the blue signal here. We apply the SIM4 wavelet and decompose the raw signal. We store the coefficients of that decomposed signal into a matrix, which is then passed through a inverse maximal overlap wavelet, discrete wavelet transform. We apply some thresholding and denoising to remove any signal noise, which is evident here when you see, like when you compare the raw with the filtered signal. And then we apply a QRS detection by squaring the derivative of that reconstructed signal. So this is post-inverse maximal overlap discrete wavelet transform. We apply a tunable moving average window, which we're still working on to get like the most effective detection, like QRS detection. We then normalize the envelope, and we apply the find peaks function to label the peaks, the R peaks of the QRS component of the wave. So each time we select a signal here, we apply this process to this raw signal and plot the filtered signal over the top. And that is the functionality of the QRS Simple app. Thank you.